This video will show you how to replace the deck belt on this Cub Cadet Zero Turn. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Place your mower on a flat, level surface. Turn the engine off. Remove the ignition key. Disconnect the spark plug ignition wires. Be sure the PTO button is disengaged. Put the deck height lever in its lowest position. Remove the two thumb screws that secure the belt cover. Then remove the left belt cover. Using the extension arm lever, release the tension spring. Remove the PTO belt from the two idler pulleys in the center of the deck. Working from the rear of the mower, release the PTO belt from the engine pulley by spinning the pulley while pulling down on the belt. Remove the cotter pins from the left and right deck retaining brackets. Remove the front lift rod, and then slide the cutting deck to the right and out from under the mower. Loosen the idler arm bracket and remove the deck belt. Route the new deck belt. Slide the cutting deck under the mower. Then, move the foot pedal to the middle position and secure with the metal pin. Reassemble by following the previous directions in reverse order. Route the PTO belt and replace the lift rod. Attach the left and right deck retaining brackets with the cotter pins. Route the PTO belt on the engine pulley. Place the PTO belt around the two idler pulleys in the center of the deck by releasing the tension spring. Replace the two belt covers. And connect the spark plug ignition wires.